HTTP versus HTTPS. Everything you need to know about this. So these are the two protocols which are being used for data transmission. They are a part of the application layer which is in OSI model. So HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol, whereas HTTPS is HTTP plus secure. So let's understand the difference between them. First point, HTTP are used to transmit the plain text data which anyone can monitor and read the information which is being transferred over the network, whereas HTTPS is used additional security to encrypt the data which is being transferred, which is make them unreadable. Second point, HTTP use port 80 which is open door for all the website data transmission, whereas HTTPS use port 443 which is more secure. Third point, URL prefix used by HTTP is HTTP colon 2 forward slash, whereas HTTPS use as usual HTTPS colon 2 forward slash. Fourth point, HTTP use simple TCP three-way handshaking. That means first client send the connection request, server acknowledge that synchronized request and send the acknowledgement, and then client send the acknowledgement success, and then the connection is established between them. But in case of HTTPS, it has a more secure layer. So here also client send the initiation connection request, server send the acknowledgement, and along with some digital certificate. That digital certificate it's going to read by the client and understand about the certificate information. In that there are public key available and authorized certificate information, also issuer of the certificate. All the information are read by the client, and after processing the information, client are going to generate the pre-master key using the public key shared by the server, and then send the master key to the server. And with that, both the client and server are using that shared session key to send the data and within encrypted format. Fifth point, when you execute the HTTP in the web, you will see the not secure warning, whereas in case of HTTP, when you execute it, you can see the padlock icon. Sixth point, which is example, in HTTP connection, when you send the data over the browser, it is visible. Like you can see one example, HTTP colon example.com. When this browser is getting hit, then this information is basically available to the user, like what is the login, what is the host name, and what is the password being used. Whereas in case of encryption, what user sees, what attacker can see, it's encrypted message which is unreadable, which make it more secure as compared to the HTTP. Thank you.